Hey everybody, guess where I'm at? Getting ready to go on another adventure. So if you guessed I was at an airport, you are absolutely correct. This trip is going to be to the country of Turkey. We're going to be covering what was known in the Bible as Asia Minor. And we're going to take a look at some of the churches that Paul would have visited on his second and third tour of Asia Minor. But also we'll be covering 5 out of the 7 churches in the book of Revelation. As well as the traditional cave on the island of Patmos where John wrote the book of Revelation. So just a little teaser. We're about ready to get this party started, so stay tuned and talk to you soon. This is a long flight. We have an hour and 24 minutes left. Fortunately, I got travel buddies. I got travel buddies back there too. And over there. So, we're almost there. It's not gonna be fast enough. I can't wait to hit a mattress. Not gonna lie. We'll see you in an hour and 24 minutes. We're in Istanbul. You recognize this guy and that guy? We're here. We made it. Look. Hey, look who I found. Right, we got Amir. We're in Turkey. We're waiting for the bus. So, what are we in for?
Amazing archaeological digs, amazing food, amazing history, amazing time.
We're all about the amazing time. So, again, stay tuned. It's going to be fabulous the next 9 days. We'll see you in a bit.